Hey folks, body golf, still at the Beaver. It's a par 5. It is 388, 389. We finally got some wind behind us. So let's see if we get one out there so we can try to go for the green in 2. Trying to use the wind at our advantage. 5 o'clock nose. I thought the camera was going to fall over. Path, trying to aim it towards that sand trap and get it to draw in. The wind kind of changed a little bit on me, but that's no excuse. We may be in the sand trap. I am not sure. There's a ridge up there. If you can catch that ridge, you can catch a really good roll. And this back here, we've had rain, and it does dry up pretty good back here. Except for we got 3 holes that's going to be cart path only. All right, I don't see it yet. Oh, there it is. Okay. Yeah, we didn't make the slope. We did not make the slope, so I am not going to try today because that's a long. Well, tell you what. Why not? Why not? It's wind's behind me, but it keeps changing directions, either right to left or left to right. I tell you what, it's what we used to call offshore confused wind. So we're going to try to carry this from where I'm looking at right here. It's 212. Got it, water, sand trap, and then the green. Falls a little bit above my feet. And there's that wind I was telling you about. See if we can get this done before you guys fall over again. Okay, what I was saying was the ball's a little bit above my feet. Okay, well, we're just going to have to shoot it from this direction, folks. Sorry about that, but it's that much wind. You're not going to be able to see it over the green, over the water, but that's all we can do. I'm not sure. Again, we did good. We got it on our intended path. But where did it go after that? Well, I'll tell you what, this 2 times, huh? On the ground and 2 times. All right, let's go see where we can find that ball. Wasn't on the short hairs. The first cut, it's not too bad, but any cut, well, you know what that does. Oh, no, well, no, we're right here in front. Okay, not bad, not bad. Really thought we had a chance for it, but we're in good position right here. Now, this green runs away from us, and it runs away big time. So what I'm going to try to do is keep it on the ground, a bump and run something on the ground, and just let it trickle on up there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a 7, and I'm just going to keep it low. It's a pretty good little ways, but little too strong, maybe. But I thought the grass would eat it up. So, still got a birdie shot here. And that went, see that flag? Ooh. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. You guys keep falling over. I'm going to take you off, put you on ground level. I hope you don't fall off the flag. All right, let's see what we can do. Well, that, my friend, is in the hole, and you've seen it. So that's going to be a little birdie. And pick it up without losing you guys. All right. Well, we didn't get over this like I wanted to, but we still did it just fine. All right, it's Bayou Golf. If I can get you one more, if not, you know where I'll see you.